In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an HTML email in Gmail. Whether you're crafting a professional-looking newsletter or want to ensure your email has a little extra flair with custom styles and designs, using HTML in Gmail is a fantastic option. Let's jump right in and explore how to make this happen in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once you're online, head over to your Google account. Look for the Google Apps icon. You'll typically find it in the upper right corner of your screen. It looks like a grid of small dots. Click on this icon, and it will unveil a menu listing all the Google services available to you. From this menu, navigate over to the Chrome Web Store. This store hosts a plethora of extensions that integrate smoothly with your browser, expanding its capabilities. Once in the Chrome Web Store, go ahead and type HTML Editor for Gmail by CloudHQ into the search bar. This particular extension is crucial because it allows you to create and send HTML emails directly within Gmail. After you've located the HTML Editor extension in the store, you will see an option to Add to Chrome. Click on this to initiate the installation process. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Simply click on Add Extension to proceed. Once the extension is installed, I recommend pinning it to your Chrome extension bar. This means it will be easily accessible whenever you need it. Following the installation, the extension will prompt you to create an account and connect it to your Gmail. This step is straightforward and just allows the extension to communicate seamlessly with your Gmail account. Now, let's put this into action. Navigate over to your Gmail inbox and click on the Compose button to draft a new email. You'll notice a new icon, representing the extension, has appeared in the email composition window. Click on this icon and a new HTML editor window will open. In this new window, you'll see an option labeled Source. By clicking on this, you can clear any pre-existing code within the editor, effectively starting with a blank slate. Now, take the HTML code that you've carefully prepared for your email and paste it into the editor's space. This is your chance to embed custom styles, sophisticated layouts, and any other elements you wish to include. Once you're satisfied with your email's appearance, click on Close Editor to finalize the design. From there, you can fill out the rest of your email details, such as adding recipients, a subject line, and any additional text you may need. When everything is done and checked over, simply hit Send and your expertly crafted HTML email will be on its way. This tool doesn't only make your emails look more professional, but it also enriches how you communicate via email. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial on sending HTML emails in Gmail.